2015. We're going to start. Already at the foot of the stairs, and we're ready to start the program. We are very proud to introduce our Miss Forever Young Senior Society Continental for 2015. This title is very impressive, meaning she is representing the main part of a country or region. And now, let me introduce her, escorted by a very active FYSS member, Mr. Mario Bacsapra. Please welcome our Miss Forever Young Senior Society's Continental of 2015, born and raised from Angono, Rizal, a former resident of Winnipeg. Here she is, Miss Adoracion Vitor Viuda de Cabin. Please give her a big welcome. She's really now the Miss Continental 2015. Adoracion Vitor Cabin was born on September 28th, and she is a real Tagala from Angono, Rizal. She landed in 1979 in Winnipeg, Manitoba, and was a garment factory worker. She was there for 15 years, and when she was laid off, she moved to Vancouver and worked at Rogers Arena as a cook. Vancouver is a very significant city for her because this is where she met and married her Canadian husband, George Cabin, in 1995. Unfortunately, George passed away last 2005. She loves cooking, dancing, and singing. That made her to be a member of the St. Mary's Choir. In 2012, Adoracion became the first Miss Multicultural Helping Society, Multicultural Helping House Society Queen. And today she is enjoying her retirement, but currently fulfilling her dream of finishing her stalled education. She is currently enrolled at Vancouver Community College, and once she's done and finished, to fulfill another dream, to visit the Holy Land. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big, big applause to this likable and admirable widow, Adoracion Vitor Cabin, our Miss FYSS Continental for 2015. And we would like to call our Miss International Beauties, Nene Linsangan, Sally, Pura, and of course Sabina to come up stage and join our queen. Let us give a big welcome and a big applause to our international beauties. Nasaan yung mga palakpak nyo? Parang hindi natin nakikinig. On the youthful-looking president of the Zambales Association, Jim Tomasena, with his partner, Harvey Claudio, as sash pinners.
Francisco Villa. Ya no puede caminar, porque no tiene falta marihuana que fumar. Cucaracha, cucaracha, ya no puede caminar, porque no tiene falta marihuana que fumar.
Thank you so much, King and Chin. Ladies and gentlemen, this event is also significant for Forever Young Senior Society because we seldom have special participants who are younger in age and spirit. We are privileged to have these officers of the Filipino Association of British Columbia, the oldest organization in BC, to present the trophy of recognition. Please give a big round of applause to Julian Andalis, one of the directors of the oldest organization, and of course, with a friend, Gina Marteros. Oh, I believe that she's the secretary.
Una cucaracha, ya la llevan enterrada, entregaron su piloto y un ratón de sacristán. Cucaracha, cucaracha, ya no puede caminar, tiene falta marihuana que fumar. Cucaracha, cucaracha, ya no puede caminar, tiene falta marihuana que fumar.
Meron na rin siyang sash. Now, last year, we have crowned our very first Miss Forever Young Senior Society's Continental 2014, and today she will have her last walk and also to turn over her crown to her successor. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see the farewell walk of Mila Ordonez. Last Mila Ordonez, kasama si Mr. Mercado, special escort. Thank you so much, Mr. Mercado. Now, the highlight of this program is the awaited coronation. We are honored to have a very popular couple within our Filipino community to assist in crowning our Miss Continental Beauty Queen. Please give a big welcome to my amiable BFF and of course the Executive Secretary of Confica, with Mr. Fernando Salanga, the motivating president of the PhilMeds Memorial and the Cultural Heritage as of 2015. Ang swerte mo naman, ang ganda ng corona ng bigla. Wow! Marhaba, marhaba! And shukran, shukran! Si Lady Fatima, saka si Mr. Alibaba.
Ya dijo la colorada, para Chihuahua, a pasar la temporada. Una cucaracha pinta, le dijo a la colorada, vámonos para Chihuahua, a pasar la temporada. Cucaracha, ya no puede caminar, porque no tiene falta marihuana que fumar. Cucaracha, ya no puede caminar, porque no tiene falta marihuana que fumar.
Talagang international, ano? Wow! Mula pa sa Saudi Arabia itong ating mga nag-crown. At ang ganda pa nilang crown, talagang kumikinang. Thank you so much. Of course, the Queen should have a scepter, and no other than my Mana Perla, the Premier President of New Era Society, and of course with her significant other, Mr. Delfino Siago. Thank you, Mr. the Queen and King of Saudi Arabia. Marhaba, marhaba.
Cucaracha pinta, le dijo a la colorada, para Chihuahua, a pasar la temporada. Cucaracha pinta, le dijo a la colorada, para Chihuahua, a pasar la temporada. Cucaracha, ya
Filipino Seniors Association of BC, Roberto Pino, with his beautiful wife, naman na universe ang ganda. Diba? Talagang si Gloria Diaz ang dating dito kay Diba? Wow.
Toca y toca su acordeón. Enojado se quejaba porque le quité un tostón. El centavo toca y toca su acordeón. Enojado se quejaba porque le quité un tostón. Cucaracha, la cucaracha, ya no puede caminar, que no quiere que le falta marihuana que fumar. La cucaracha, ya no puede caminar, que no quiere que le falta marihuana que fumar.
All the way from Alberta to share her moments. Let's welcome Dario Vitor and another friend, Mrs. Jeffersinia Baksafra. Please give them a big welcome. Of our queen direct from Alberta.
De Carranza, voy a hacer una toquilla, la sombrero del señor Francisco Villa. De Carranza, voy a hacer una toquilla, la sombrero del señor Francisco Villa. Cucaracha, cucaracha, ya no puede caminar, que no tiene una falta, marihuana que fumar. Cucaracha, cucaracha, ya no puede caminar, que no tiene una falta, marihuana que fumar.
Salamat po ng marami. Ngayon, meron po tayo isang special number. One of our international beauty queen is actually a singer. And we have also her friend here, a violinist who will accompany her. And she will sing a song. And we have the violinist here, Shiki Namaguchi from Japan. And she's been playing violin for the past, since she was 5 years old. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a special violinist, Shiki Namaguchi from Japan. Oh, palakpakan niyo naman. Come down here.
I'm going to offer you a thing this afternoon, Over the Rainbow, to inspire you all this afternoon. Over the rainbow.
So